Hey YouTube, so I said I was going to do a video restore of this Universal Vise Tool Company out of Parma, Michigan, mill vise, but it ended up being pretty much just a rattle can restore. So I took the time to film it, so I figured I'd share it. And at some point later on, maybe once I get my surface grinder back together, I might, do a little more work on it. But for now, it's working for me perfectly fine. All right, well, let's see if we can take this thing apart and start cleaning it up. So I got this vise all torn down and most of the funk knocked off of it. I was looking for something that I could put it in, and I was going through the barn and I found this stainless tray. And that was stuff that came with my Atlas lathe when I got it for free. And there were these in there, and I was, oh cool, a machinist jack. And I don't know what exactly this is really. It's got these holes in there, small holes. And yeah, so if anybody knows what that is, can put it down in the comments. But I think it'll work for a machinist jack. So I skipped some steps and I didn't film this coming out of the Evaporust, and then cleaning it up in the sink and then getting any excess paint off of it. But it looked really good without any paint or rust on it. And then I painted it with some, oh, I'll show you the paint. This is the green I used, and it was as close as I could come in a rattle can that was what looked to be factory green. And I think it really stands out with the orange. Unfortunately, that's a little bit worn out. Take this over to the gray Scotch-Brite wheel and get the rest of that rust off the bottom of it. Well, the surface of this is in pretty terrible shape, so I can't grind it currently. I think we're just gonna have to go with it for now and figure something else out later. Yeah, I gotta put the jaw back on before I do any of this. Messed up again. Gotta put the screw in first.